So, lovely people, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you're gonna see how to enable Telegram passcode lock. So, to do that, you have to head over to your Telegram, of course. And once in there, just to make sure you're logged in into your desired account, and then head over to the three lines on the top left. And this will lead you to this pop-up. Here, you have to go to settings. Now, scroll down or direct go to privacy and security. Now you will find the passcode lock in the security section. As you can see, it is currently turned off in here. So just tap on passcode lock and then tap on enable passcode, and then you have to set a passcode and it will be enabled for your next Telegram usage. So yeah, this is how easily you can enable your Telegram passcode lock. Hope this video will help you out. Let us know in the comment section how it worked for you. And please like our video and subscribe to our channel and share this with your friends and family if it has helped you. Hope to see you in the next video.